In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact GoDaddy Support Complete Customer Service. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and make sure you're signed in. Being logged in first can make the support process smoother, especially if you need help with a product, billing issue, domain, hosting plan, or account-related concern. Once you're inside your account, take a moment to look at the top area of the page, because that's where you'll usually find the main navigation options you need. From there, click on the Help Center at the top. This section is designed to guide users towards support resources, answers to common questions, and direct ways to get in touch with customer service. If you're not sure exactly where to go at first, don't worry. The Help Center is the right place to start because it brings everything together in one area and helps you move toward the PUM support option for your issue. After opening the Help Center, click on Contact Us. This is the section where GoDaddy provides direct support channels for customers who need personal assistance. Depending on what's available in your region or for your account, you may see different ways to contact support, but the key option we're focusing on here is the chat feature. Once you're in the Contact Us area, this is where you can then chat and raise your concern. The chat option is useful if you want quick help in real time without making a phone call. When the chat window opens, explain your issue clearly and briefly so the support team can understand what you need right away. It can help to mention the product or service involved and describe the problem in a simple, direct way. As a helpful tip, before starting the chat, it's a good idea to have any important account or product details ready so the conversation goes faster. Just make sure not to share sensitive information unnecessarily in the chat, unless the official support process specifically asks for it in a secure way. And that's all you need to do. Open your GoDaddy account, go to the Help Center, select Contact Us, and then use the chat option to raise your concern with customer service. If you follow those steps carefully, you should be able to reach support quickly and get the help you need.